Hello, this is JNM Reviews, and today I am excited to talk about Wavytalk. So it is a high-speed hair dryer. This is how it looks. Mine is color fuchsia, like a hot pink. And today I have this part that you can easily attach to the hair dryer. And okay, so first of all, you want to click here. Click here. So I have it in 3, but there's also 2 and 1 and off. So if you want to blow dry it with one, this is how, like, you just put it here in the first level, and then I have it in the red that is hot, blue is cold, and then yellow is like not too hot. But I like to dry it in hot, and since I have wavy hair, I like to do it like this. So this is what it's gonna do. It's going to define the curls that I have. It's not super curly, but it's wavy. So this is the one that I use the most. If you have straight hair, then you can do something like this. And the same thing, you pick the level and you pick the temperature. It also comes with instructions. Use heat protecting spray because it does get hot, especially in the red. I hope you enjoy it. This is an awesome thing to have, and it dries your hair very quickly. Thank you for watching my video.